From the outside it doesn't look so steep. It's really steep. No good for anybody with vertigo. Wow. This is super steep. Oh my god. Nothing with somebody with vertigo. Stairs of the sacrifice. This is, I think, where the head went down.
I didn't have one, sorry.
So we are on the top of the pyramid now. And check this out. This is really steep. But I already saw 3 people slipping. Check out all these cactuses here. It's quite cool. Look at the cactus flower here.
Cacti, they eat this cactus. They steam it for more. Wow. Like this, 65.
So I've got to wait in line to taste the best tacos in the world. Supposed to be. So I'm at a very high place here. It's supposed to be one of the best taco places in the town. And yeah, gotta wait here. I'm not a Mexican food expert, but that was beyond good. Yeah, just amazing. That was the best tacos I've ever had. But yeah, 5 different salsas, limes, onions, super fresh products, coriander, just good. One interesting fact is, while I was here, I had the impression that they're very modern and taking care of the environmental issues and making the city cleaner and nicer. And see the construction site here. Would never ever happen in Europe. Plants, but it looks nicer and to make the city more green. Quite cool, quite impressed. I just love their installations here, it's very arty. Good morning, it's 6 a.m. in Mexico, and I have to do some shopping for friends and family, and I'm on the market in Juarez with some local handicraft stuff. Let's check it out. My favorite beer, my favorite cartoon as a child. Here the older gentlemen are playing chess. It's cool, no? In the public park. Diego Rivera Museum. This is Diego Rivera. Diego Rivera Museum. And to the right, this is Diego Rivera, and the left is Frida Kahlo. And this is Frida Kahlo and Diego Rivera. The public parks here in Mexico City are just amazing. Super clean, safe, I mean, at daytime at least. And it's just beautiful with the plants and the flowers. Breathtaking. I found Chinatown! Yeah! Seventh floor. A great view. Gigantic city. 23 to 25 million people living here in the metropolitan area. See something funny? I'm at the underground. Have you ever seen a dentist with a panoramic view? Everybody's passing can see what's wrong with your teeth. So good morning, this is my departure day here in Mexico City. My return flight is at midnight, so I have to leave for the airport at 10 p.m. Oh, 9 p.m. And now it's 10 a.m. So I'm gonna make it a relaxing day before the long haul flight. And anybody wants to be a slave? Here's your outfit. Mexico City. So just arrived at the airport. Check where my flight gate is. Flying with Iberia to Madrid now.